something is causing the bottom-up obstruction. I have never heard an actual physics and optics-based description based in reality and on the known laws of physics for what causes anything, how a flat surface can get between an observer and a distant object when both the observer and the distant object are above the flat surface. Now, I tested this myself right here with the P1000 on Pensacola Beach. So something is causing the bottom-up obstruction. I have never heard an actual physics and optics-based description based in reality and on the known laws of physics.
Oh, you never seen an explanation for the bottom-up obstruction other than the curve? Maybe you can explain it. Why we see bottom-up obstruction?
Sea level also around the world is different depending on where you are. If we look at the Panama Canal, for instance, the sea level is different from one side to the other, which is interesting.
Very interesting. You mentioned the Panama Canal, but over shorter distances we can see also difference in water level. Water is never level. Here, Dover, water level 1 meter and 60 centimeter. And here at Calais, at the same moment, the water level is 1.08 meter. Calais and Dover. So there is like a 52 centimeter difference in height. So when you put your camera low enough, like 30 centimeter, this swell would block stuff on the other side, of course. Bottom-up obstruction and water level is not included with wave height. I'm here on the Dutch government website and we can look up the tides and wave height. This is a platform, sorry, it's in Dutch. So the tides here. Like 50 centimeter. High tides. And now we look up wave height. So wave height is a totally different thing than tides, of course. Here they measured waves 1 meter higher than the regular high tide. Imagine placing your camera at 30 centimeter height and then zoom in on this bulge of water of 1 meter 50. Of course it would hide stuff behind that bulge. No curve, idiots. McToon, your observation is invalid as long you not include wave and tide data. Do you understand that?
Water, in fact, has never, ever, 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 ever been measured to be flat.
Yeah, a level gives you a level just for that particular location on Earth, and we've measured that level diverges at different locations.
You hear that, people? According to this piece of shit, water is never level, so boats can hide behind some bulge of water. And too bad, Flatsoid, you didn't catch it and make them look more stupid in front of thousands of people.
You see this? This will get stuck up your bumhole. FTFE bumhole.
That's all, piece of shit.